Step 3. Selecting your questions and previewing the quiz. Click on the quiz link that you created in Step 1. So for example, we're going to use Quiz 1 example here. Because this is a brand new quiz link that we've just created, you will have this Edit Quiz button here in the middle. You will notice that you also have an Edit Quiz option under the administration block. So you always will have this option available to you as an alternate way to edit any of your quizzes. So let's go ahead and click on Edit Quiz. And the first thing that you want to do is to select what you want your maximum grade to be. Moodle defaults to 10 points, so typically quizzes are usually 100 points, so I'm going to change that to 100 and save. You can set your quiz to be whatever maximum grade you want it to be, from say 5 points to more than 100 points. The next step is to add questions to the quiz. Okay, now we're ready to click Add. The first option that was kind of hidden is where you can actually create a question and add it to your quiz this way, just like we did in Step 2. We can also choose from our question bank. So I'm going to go back and choose the one that we set up in Step 2. And to choose this question, I'm going to check by that question and click Add Selected Questions to the quiz. I'm going to click Add again, and this time I'm going to choose a random question. So I'm going to go to another one of my categories, and again, this is where your question bank really becomes your best friend, because then you can go in and see the different categories and pull from different categories to create a test. So I'm going to choose this one because it has 29 questions to choose from, and you just tell how many out of that 29 you want it to pull randomly. So let's say I want 5 random questions, and click Add Random Questions. The numbers to the side here are where you can weight a question to be worth more points than another question. So say you have maybe an essay question and you want it to be weighted and worth 10 points. You want to click on the little pencil icon, enter in the number of points that you want that question to be worth, and hit enter. So it's going to make this question worth 10 points, and then Moodle will automatically adjust for the rest of the questions so that totaled they equal 100 points. Now let's preview the quiz so we can see how it will appear to the student. Under the administration block, you'll see this preview option. Click the preview, and this will show you how the quiz will appear to the student. If you set your quiz to be timed, then they will see a clock counting down to let them know how much time they have left to complete the quiz, plus a navigation block that will show the number of questions on the quiz, and they can also click on the numbers to review a question before submitting. If you have any questions about creating a quiz or importing vendor quiz test banks, please contact us in the Distance Education Department and we will be happy to help you.